Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and we're going to go over how you can replace your map lights, which these two are the map lights, and this one is the light, dome light, the front light that comes on when you open up the door, and then this are your map lights. We're going to go over how you can replace these bulbs. They're all the same bulb, and so we just need to pop this cover off, and then we can be able to replace that light. So take a good small screwdriver, be able to get in here nice and easy and pull this cover back, pull it off and just work it down, and then we pop that off, and now we can reach up in there and grab the light bulb and be able to remove that light bulb to be able to replace it. This light bulb here is the W5W light bulb, so you'd get a new one of them and be able to just take it, line it up in the line there, and double check it before you put your cover back on that it does work. And then when you're putting this cover back on, it's going to take a little bit to get it lined up and in there, and then make sure you're lining up all the tabs correctly to be able to slide it up and into place. And we lock that back all up into place, and so that's how you would replace your map lights and the center dome on your Chevy Trax of a 2019. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.